Dodge Charger Daytona Hellcat, whatever you want to call it. We already showed you this car a little bit. It's Offset's car. They're only making 501 of these. He just got it. Really cool car, honestly. I'm not the biggest Dodge fan, but if I were to have one, this probably would be it, honestly, because I do like four-door cars, as you guys know. So this would be one of my choices, honestly. The blue color is really nice. Obviously, it's that Daytona blue and white look. We also added the white stripes on the front of the car, and we also installed the white louvers on the back. Windshield was glued on. Cosmetics, but you know, it looks kind of cool. Usually they're black, but we decided to match them into the white Daytona color. That's what Offset wanted, and it looks really cool, honestly, unique. So obviously this is stock wide body. Everything else is stock. Sits really nice. I think you could lower it a little bit, maybe offset the wheels out as well. Matches his name, so I'm gonna recommend Offset to get aggressive offset on his wheels. Really cool car. Obviously, like the Hellcat and all those cars you guys have seen, has the same, you know, infotainment and system in the middle, so you could change everything to track mode, sport, whatever. So obviously you got your race options here, which has the line lock, which means you're burnout capable. You could burn out your rear tires and it locks the front of the car. We can't activate it, and we wouldn't anyways because it's customer's car, but the car's too new to activate it. Also, you have launch control, which you could choose your RPMs. Obviously, you could go up to like 25 RPM, then you could activate that guy. See, also can't do that because mileage is low. Shift lights, and then you have your little cool down, which shows you your coolant temperature. So really dope for Dodge to do all this stuff. Obviously, you know, when you're gonna go race, it tells you all your system status, like your hood's open or closed, you know, your battery status, all that stuff. So really dope to see all that. And obviously you have your seat controls, which this car has heated seats, vented seats, and the heated steering wheel, which is dope, also for Dodge. These things start at like $78,000, I believe. This one is like in the 80s, optioned out. So pretty expensive Dodge, but I mean, this is as good as it gets for a four-door Dodge. It's got blue stitching inside too with carbon fiber. So pretty cool, honestly. I mean, it's fast, Joe. I don't know what you're talking about. It'll destroy your Z. Yeah, we just got Offset's other car in. You saw the Dodge Charger Hellcat, and now we have the Demon. He has some damage on it, so we're gonna fix it for him. But yeah, we're doing all of Offset's whips in LA now.
Alright, so there's all kinds of sounds coming from this. As you guys can see, this car is on air suspension. So this car was in here for wheel repair. All four wheels were very bad. Two of them were cracked, and we basically refinished the whole thing, did everything brand new powder coat. So we're just test driving it right now to reset the tire light. It's got to learn the system again, so that's what we're doing. Car drives really good, actually. It's very, very nice. Drives good. We go. The alarm even works. Look.
Give us a tour about the car. How big are the wheels?
We have beautiful 16-inch original Camry wheels here. I like the classic look, so I do not like tints because I want everybody to look at my amazing interior, which you guys can see. Beautiful. Very nice. 2004 Camry, super clean. Those are all my Taco Bell napkins there, you guys see. Those are the bills that I have on the door.
Taco Bell napkins?
Yeah, and that's it. And the most important thing is I drive this car legally. I do have a 2021 sticker. I just paid for my registration. I got it, which is amazing. I don't have to worry about cops pulling me over
What
and
does
taking my
XLE
Camry.
stand for?
XLE is a beautiful version of a Camry.
No, it's called Extreme Luxury Edition.
Yeah, beautiful. I even have my spoiler.
It is,
Look at
right?
this.
I got it's Extreme Luxury
comes with
Edition.
spoiler.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
and there's a fly on it. There's a
that's-
fly on your spoiler chilling.
That's pretty much it.
He's in his natural instinct. Look at him.
The customer's gonna be here any second and we're all dead because you're messing with the suspension. You kill us.
The best video I have of this guy is hitting him in the other shop and falling and dying on the ground. Do you remember
I
that?
remember that.
Huh? Did you shoot that one?
I think I did.
Yeah.
He
You
was,
had the video?
he was on the floor like. You remember that? It was a bad one, huh? Just put it, man.
No, but
Hurry
you
up.
say for my daddy.
I'm your for my daddy, like for me.
In this case, you're my daddy.
Yeah.
I have to call you daddy.
Yes.
What about if I don't say daddy? What you gonna do about it?
I don't know.
Ay, hijo de...
You hit me. So here we're with the Aventador, Chris Brown's car. As you know, we're keeping you updated across the episodes with this build. Takes us about a week to do this. I think we started last Thursday, so we're last Wednesday or Thursday is when we started. So literally, we're about 1 week and the car is almost done. The wheels are being custom built, so that might be our only delay with this build, which is a little annoying. We really wanted to finish this car sooner. We did our part, which is a lot of work actually. Right now, Luis is installing the front over fender right there. It was all cut perfectly. As you can see, this is the wrap color. Sort of like 3 different colors in one, but realistically, it's fading into the other color. So we're starting off this dark purple, going all the way to like a sky blue. So you see the side of it is getting that fading, and the back is sky blue. So a lot of other little accents going down. We're combining satin black, carbon fiber, and this color all together. As you can see, the over fender is on there as well. The rocker panel's on there, and the flare for the rocker panel. Down here you see carbon fiber. This is part of the whole limited edition wide body kit from Liberty Walk. All this stuff is added on top of the kit, so it gets even more aggressive and crazy. There's going to be a mesh here for the vent, so all that is already on. This car is an SV, so it has a lot of carbon fiber as well. So like I said, we're going to be implementing the use of carbon, satin black, and the wrap color. All right guys, we are standing on the side street on Martel. This is literally the side of our shop. So right here behind me you see the new mural. One of our good buddies, he's done a wall before for us, the Joker wall, if you guys remember. Joe Theory's his Instagram. He went ahead, painted this really amazing piece of art right here, which features 2 really legendary guys. Obviously Nipsey Hussle and Kobe Bryant, 2 guys we really looked up to. Nipsey we've done some work with, so we knew him personally. But yeah, so 2 legends on the wall, just pure black, white with some silver. No cartoon work, no colorful stuff. Really just show these 2 legends to the streets. So yeah, we got the mural right here. People are going to be nuts over it. So really proud of it, really happy with it. We're going to keep it on there as long as we can. Also, if you guys want to bring your car here, put it in front of it, take a picture. Also really cool, obviously car shop and these 2 legends together. Dope pictures. So Martel and Sunset Boulevard.